Hi, welcome to what may be our first NFL box break. I am, as always, Dad.
And I am Lucas.
You have a straw in your face? Jeez. Classless. I bought a box of Bowman Chrome at Target while we were there picking up some stuff for dinner. And I haven't really ever been involved with football cards for the most part. I was always a baseball kid growing up. A lot of that had to do with our New England Patriots being pretty horrible.
And right after this, we're going to do another box break.
Yes, we have actually got a couple boxes at the local card shop. Topps 87, I believe, a 92 Fleer, and a 90 Donruss. So we're going to be breaking those as well. There'll be separate videos, so we space them out so you're not hit with them all at once. But as I was saying before Lucas interrupted, I grew up, started out in Cleveland for a bit. That's where I started to watch baseball with Super Joe Charbonneau and that early excitement in the 80s. Then in the mid-80s, I moved to New England, about 83. I got involved with all New England sports. So I was a big Patriots fan. We went to the Super Bowl in 85, then had a rough time. Lucas is too young to remember it, but I was there for the 1-15 season. But football cards never really interested me because baseball, you get 9 players and they all pitch, they all hit, they all bat, they all play the field, they all have a position, so you don't mind getting the right fielder for the Red Sox. Where football, you get the left tackle, it's like, I'm not that excited. Everyone likes the quarterbacks, wide receivers, running backs, and corners. And they all wear the helmets, so, I mean, it's tough. But I had a request from Darren Hunt, an Ultimate Card Collector, to do football breaks, and well, I heard good things about Bowman Chrome, so I thought I'd give it a try. We'll have 8 packs here from the blaster. It's $20. Hopefully we get something good. And also I had a request on the comments for Brett Drillett to give him a shout out. So Brett, thanks for watching. Anything you want to say to Brett?
Thanks for watching our videos.
Yeah. And thanks to everyone who clicked on ads and stuff, because I've actually gotten some money put into the account, which makes buying these kind of novelty boxes a little easier. So why don't I let my sidekick open up this box. At the National Card Show, this is almost a little tribute in memoriam. Topps lost the license. They lost the license to the NFL. It's going to Panini starting in 2 years, which is really sad because competition is key for innovation and originality. So now I think that's all the sports are exclusive to one publisher, which is a horrible idea. And if Topps ever loses baseball, Topps is out of business for the most part. So, but I don't like them having an exclusive MLB license because I think their set designs are kind of lackluster for the most part in the base sets. So I would love to have competition and companies putting different stuff out. Bless you.
Thank you.
And this is not good for the industry to have only one company making any one sport. But I don't know. It's a sad state of affairs. I think it's a 10-year contract, $20 million a year, which is ridiculous. But we'll see. So we each get 4 packs. All right. All right. You want to do them one at a time here? Let's see if we get any cool stuff. Here, scoot over a little bit. They can't see your face, and I don't think they're here to see my face, so hopefully not. But if you are, you have great taste in people. All right.
Dolphins.
Oh, hold on. Let's see what we got here. So this is an example of the card. Kind of a basic design. Team in the upper corner, and then the back gives a little bit of information, personal stats, last year's receiving information. And it says 2014 Bowman football was created by collectors like you through participation on Facebook/Bowman Football and on Twitter at ToppsFB. So that's an example of the card. What do we got? So we do have a purple insert. I don't know if that, a lot of times that's exclusive to Target. This is a rookie card for Josh Huff. Oh, another Dolphin. Ugh. Latimer Miller.
Pirate. What does it say about that?
Pirates? Come on, this is Buccaneers. And again,
I don't know.
that's the problem with football is, you know, they'll have their helmets on, kind of similar. I'd like to see some good action shots, you know, tackling and such. Hopefully we get... Is that another Dolphins? Oh, my God. Ryan Tannehill. Not a bad quarterback.
The Bulls. I don't know. Bulls?
That is... No, that's the Texans.
I don't know this
And that's a big boy right there.
And the G...
The Green Bay Packers. So these are a lot of, you know, younger players, if you will, in their college uniforms. Tannehill. Do you mind? I'm trying to talk. That's very rude to do that because they're going to hear that. So Tannehill, of course, isn't a rookie. This is what it says on his back. Next in line, the next coming. During Rich Gannon's best seasons with the Raiders, he could pick apart defenses with his arms and secure critical first downs on the run. Tannehill has the same ability. In 2013, Ryan eclipsed 200 rushing yards and 3,000 passing yards for the second straight year. So let me open up my pack, see if we get any good shots here. Yeah, so there must be one per pack here of this purple. A.J. Green, a fine wide receiver for the Bengals.
No, that's the Jets.
Yeah, the Jets, Green Bay. Drew Brees.
What team is that?
That is the New Orleans Saints.
They don't send a name on it, so I have.
Well, they just have the logos. Josh Matthews. Of course, we're looking. Being from Ohio originally for a spell, looking for Mr. Football there for Cleveland Browns. Johnny Manziel. So.
No hair.
The ones from the college ranks have that little green behind them, so you don't see any other players. Here's 4 examples.
Can I see?
All blacked out, I guess, licensing for the players, where the NFL players, actually, you see the backgrounds. So, all right, break open your next pack. Anything good?
Yeah. Here you go, your pack. To remember this box. I think that's like the Tigers.
This is the Panthers. And again, a lot of these guys are, you know, drafted.
Eagles.
May not be first or second round, so you may not recognize the names.
Eagles?
That is the Seahawks. Paul Richardson.
Vikings.
Yep.
Yes.
Minnesota. Yes. And that's the purple one for that pack.
Seas.
There's something called Chrome. I expected them to be a little shinier. Matt Forte, a decent running back. What do you have last year?
Bulls?
1,300 yards? That's the Bills. C.J. Spiller.
Dang, I said both.
Yeah, the Bills have a pretty good team. They're building. They'll go as far as the quarterback brings them. But I think, of course, our New England Patriots are still the class of the East. That's the Bengals, or the Bungles. They're in training camp now. They actually have billboard signs over the highway saying, "Do not sign their quarterback," which is funny. They don't think he's going to bring them. They get eliminated if they make the playoffs pretty quickly.
Lions?
That is the Lions.
Yes!
Very good, very good. So, nothing except for the one per pack inserts. Oh, and this one I got a mini on. Nice. C.J. Mosley, number 50B-43 in a series of football picture cards. Very nice. So that says C.J. Mosley. An every down linebacker who also served on 2 special teams units at Alabama, Mosley is a fluid defender who's apt at working his way through a crowd. Dutiful preparation coupled with a high football IQ helps him avoid making mental mistakes. And it says up there, Picture Card Collectors Club. Very cool. Very cool. So that's a good hit. DeMarcus Ware. Darrelle Revis. Come on. Still in his Tampa Bay outfit. He's how old is he? He's 2014. You'd think they'd have him in his New England Patriots where he will win a Super Bowl finally. Break open a pack, my friend.
I see this one.
That one? A last minute adjustment.
Let's see. Indians?
No, Redskins. Oh, I don't know if we're allowed to say it or not, but the team in Washington.
Why?
Big debate about if Redskins is offensive to tribal Indians. tribal.
Dolphins.
Did you not get a purple card in this pack?
No.
Maybe they're not every pack.
Polo? Bo?
The Rams. Michael Sam.
Redskins.
Very nice. Michael Sam.
Trying to remember.
I believe he's the
Okay, just take.
The player who came out as gay before the season. I think that's Michael Sam. Which good for him. I mean, everyone should be able to live and let live, as I say. Michael Crabtree, Pierre Garçon. Not a lot of great action shots though, but football, is America's sport now, I guess, at least in the ratings. Ooh, here's a hit for you. Put that at the bottom. Greg Robinson. It was backwards in the pack. Hey, look who. He's almost ready for his 2 games this year before he gets hurt again. Rob Gronkowski, the Gronk. Julio Jones, Aaron Murphy, and Dion Bailey for the Seahawks. Championship Seahawks. Foil. Numbered on the back, number 39 out of 499. I don't know if that'll show up or not, but very cool. So I got 2 good hits. What do you got?
5.
Nothing. Because all you're doing is bringing these purple inserts to the table, which we've got 3 of.
No. Okay, Raiders.
Raiders. Where careers go to die. Oh, sorry, we're making brownies as well. I didn't expect that to beep so much.
Dolphins.
God damn, with the Dolphins. Come on.
Okay,
no
take them off.
No Mr. Football yet? Oh, that's sad.
No Mr. Football.
All right, last pack.
Football.
Feels a little stiff.
Stiff.
Let's see. See if I can get a Manziel. Let's see, Eric Ebron. Ooh, James White, running back, drafted by the Patriots.
Oh yeah, I do see a rare card in there.
Aaron Dobson.
What is that, Dad?
For the Patriots. Congratulations, you have received a Bowman relic card from the 2014 Bowman football for Randall Cobb. Very nice. Green Bay relic hit.
Congratulations.
Very nice. Yay. And Devon Street. So a couple Patriots. So, not bad. $20. We got a Green Bay relic. Very nice. We got 3 of these purple inserts, which I thought were 1 per pack, but evidently are not. I got 1 numbered Dion Bailey insert card. And I got the CJ Mosley mini card. Very cool. So overall, I think we did pretty good. I mean, Bowman's really heavy on the new drafted players, so a lot of them you won't recognize. Except for Michael Sam and the ones for your particular teams, and the high draft choices like Johnny Manziel, of course, which we didn't get, unfortunately, but maybe next time. The design's kind of plain. I thought Bowman would have had more of a retro look to them. They look a lot like the baseball cards, but I do like these with the artwork. I think those are awesome. If I were to collect any insert, it would be this. I like the backs too. And of course, anytime you pull a relic, is always a good day. So not bad. Keep an eye out. I'm sorry Topps lost the NFL license. I heard good things about. Oh, I got a little battery message there. I heard good things about some of their higher end stuff, the Stratum and stuff. So I'm gonna maybe give those a try later in the season, especially once football starts up and I get into the mood and the swing of a new season. And that's it. I gave the shout outs, filled up a request. I thanked everyone for watching and clicking on the ads. If you did, I appreciate it. Lets us do more of this stuff. Anything else you want to say?
Thank you all people for watching.
And we'll be back. I think we're going to do the Donruss baseball first because they had the Diamond Kings and stuff, which I thought were really cool. And it'll break up the top-centric run we've had lately. So thanks for watching. Give me a couple days, and we'll get the retro look at. I believe it's the 90 Donruss baseball. Until then, I'm Dad.
And I'm Lucas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.